Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this three of the bracelets and then pouches from Brighton. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then I'll show you guys what we got. Here's the invoice. Alright, so here are the order detail, one of each. That's the style number, style name, and then the size is 08. Got the silver color multi and then silver blue. You got the Brighton with the rose. That's made into a heart. I guess it's a new brochure, so they can sell you some of their accessories or products. Even got the heart right here on the cardboard. Wow. Got the one. I'm not sure why this one came out. Two. And you got the three of the pouches for free. So that is the rose right there in a heart design. And there's a card. Not sure what this says. Got the heart too. There's a personal message in there, so I will not show it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. So there's one right here. This one's the Halo Ice. Let's go ahead and check out the other one right here. There's a greeting card again. Another thank you card, more personal message. You have the nice Brighton B logo right there on this dust bag. and also on the ribbon. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened to the other one, so I better tell my wife I only got 2. And then this is a bag. It says pretty stuff on there with the lipstick. And then the compact of the eyebrow eyelashes. Well, let me talk to my wife first and find out what's going on. Yeah, never mind. I thought it was 3 pieces of jewelry, but actually one's an infinity sparkle bangle. And then the second one's a 3-piece pouch set, multicolor. And then last one's a halo eyes open hinge bangle. So let's go ahead and open this up to show you guys real quick. You got 2 of this silica gel, which is good. Winter is coming, so it's kind of moisture in the restroom or anything when you take a shower. So or if you want, you can put this on your closet to make it dry. Also, all of them with a different graphic. You got this nice draw cord or drawstring. And it's 100% cotton, made in China. And then this one, it says perfect pair, Brighton right there. And this one says random stuff with a big heart. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.